Yes. All right.
You got a car. You want a car. All of y'all want cars.
Don't tell them that, Doctor.
No,
Because it's not true.
They
It's
didn't win
not true.
cars?
I'm sorry to tell
They
you
didn't
guys
win
we
cars?
haven't actually won a car. But thank you anyway, Doctor.
It sounds good. Sing it though.
I'm sure it
Like
does.
I would
It's
love
just
to say
not
that.
true.
Like you
Hashtag
won,
not
you
true.
won, you won. All
You
of y'all
want a car.
won.
Everybody want a car.
Except you,
Except me.
except you,
No,
except
don't
you.
yet.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no car,
yeah.
honey.
No?
Okay, welcome to Daytime Live. I hope you all had a great weekend. And I'm joined with my special guest host today, Dufton Shepherd, but he likes to be called Duffy. Big up Duffy, not a hose. Is that the pirate?
No, this is
is
the
it-
powder,
what's-
the powder.
Very, very nice, very nice. Very
Thank you,
nice.
Nisha. Yeah.
Hi,
It's
guys.
great. It's nice to be back. It's always fun to be here.
Yes.
It's always good. I haven't seen you in a while.
That's a lie.
Like I saw you a couple of hours ago, though.
I saw him at the gym.
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
By
No,
the
no,
way,
no, no.
he was at the gym
Oh,
doing
no.
exactly the same thing I did. And what did he do? He vomited. Because he was all tired and
I'm so
stressed
not
out.
ashamed. I don't feel that way.
All right, I'm not going to stress him out anymore now. Don't forget to connect with us on our social media, which is Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. Also on Facebook, which is at TVJ Daytime Live.
And you can also watch past performances, buzz, and chat on televisionjamaica.com.
Yes, and catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. Okay, so let's talk about what's trending.
What's trending?
Well, we covered this last week. Former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe actually resigns. Watch TVJ for more information. This just happened.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that, Duffy?
Well, I mean, as far as I heard, it was either he resigned or he would have been impeached. But you know what I love about it? He had the best memes.
What do you mean?
On social media, he used to have some great memes.
I love him. I know he's like,
Just
we
for
spoke
fun.
about it last week.
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm still hashtag Robert Mugabe. Yes. Yes. So, another day, another video of a mother beating her child. Now, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency and the police are probing an incident in which a mother was seen in a video violently beating her child with a belt and repeatedly threatening to kill her. Now, the child in the video appears to be about 4 years old. As a mom, before I get into this, and because Duffy is our guest, I'm gonna allow him to take this one home. Duffy. Oh, he's about the monologue.
Like I saw the video, it's over 6 minutes long. It's about 6 minutes to maybe 30 seconds long. And for most of it, she's scolding child for playing.
Whilst at school, though. Whilst at school.
Children play. They eat, they sleep, they play. And at 4, that's how they learn everything. That's how they learn, through playing. Are you going to beat the child for playing?
Whilst at school.
Make me tell you this. Jesus!
Lord Duffy. Him never go drama school. I don't know where my boy.
No, see, if it was my child, I have a 6-year-old daughter. And, I mean, I don't know, I'd flip out.
Yeah.
I'd flip out.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I believe that children should be scolded. A little beaten here and there. I got beaten. A lot of us got beaten, you know? Everybody up here.
Yeah, 2 clap.
Oh,
Clap,
man.
clap.
Yeah.
Clap,
not-
clap.
but
That's
not
what you
to-
got? You see, I never got clap,
But
clap.
it
I
wasn't-
got like...
But it wasn't abuse. It
Just
was
saying.
never abuse. You know? It was
Yeah.
never abuse.
Yeah.
So for seeing what 6 minutes, man, why not beaten for 6 seconds? First of
yeah.
all, she couldn't catch me.
First of all, that's true. I'm
I
a
get
runner.
2 good one, and that is true. But
And
I
and
learned.
run.
I mean,
But she
I
tried
know
to
that's
run,
it.
the little one. But you know what? I want to say something. For me, I always I think a lot of us here we tend to look at the micro picture and not the macro, not the larger picture. And I think that if society continues to apply pressure to us as people, it's going to get worse. You know what I mean? There's like a decline in our morals, in what's happening to us as a people, and I think it's going to get worse. I saw the video, and I saw a mother trying to survive. You know, in a sense, like when you're sending your child to school and you find out that child's playing, it's kind of like life or death. You're aware that you're pushing her for greatness, you know, and she's off. So I think it's a larger picture for me. Not that I'm saying I approve, by the way. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying absolutely no, that's not okay. But I'm also saying it's going to keep happening, of men killing their women, of people killing each other, of if you keep applying pressure, financial pressure as a society. I'm just saying, that's my thoughts. What do you guys think? What do you think? I'm not talking to them. Move on. So, on a lighter note, Well,
Lighter
not
now. Really?
Let's take that back.
Yeah, we're fine. Dance
Don't
hall.
turn this lighter. Dance hall star hashtag Ninja Man has been found guilty of murder and shooting with intent. Now, the verdict was delivered in the gun court in downtown Kingston. The Don Gargan taken into police custody. We're not laughing for me for. We're not laughing for me for. We're not laughing for me for. What?
Because you... Like, I'll
Wanna
take,
leave it.
I'll
Leave
take
it.
a selfie right now.
Take us.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that?
I mean, you make your bed, you lie in it.
Mm-hmm.
You make your bed, you lie in it. You understand? It's murder and shooting with intent.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, based off the information that's coming out. I mean, he was accused of the crime, and also the shooting intent was at the potential witness.
Yeah.
And like, I had an imagery of him being in court because it's from 2012. The case has been going on.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
It's a long time coming. So he had
17
a good 3 years
mentions,
outside.
17 trial dates, 23 mentions. So they kept going to court and leaving.
Yeah.
So I guess his final time, the judge was like, all right, cool.
Yeah. Guilty. With
No.
him and his son and another,
No.
another
So
person.
another entertainer behind bars.
Another entertainment behind bars. I'm
Right,
just saying,
so,
what's happening? And speaking of entertainment,
Mm-hmm.
the Welcome to Jam Rock Reggae Cruise finished last Saturday. The 5-day cruise was in its 4th year and had performances from Stephen Marley, Sizzler, Spice, Taurus Riley, Inner Circle, and more. Check out this clip of Damian Marley from our producer Odessa, who was also on board. I wasn't on board, but
She
she
never
was
care
on
nobody.
board.
She never
Anywho,
care nobody.
check out this video. She me never did.
Everything that's out of me, if I have not been around, is a part of my machine. I'm in business, so to speak. I've been winning on the street. I've been feeling like a Wednesday surrounded by the week. The struggle on the king of video God is where we see. And go up on us on the day, call them sitting up on three. Then in a new machine, we're back to my name and family. What is your buy the whole thing? Don't lose the receipt. The market's got this one. We have a lot of legacy. Let's throw it to my roots. Let's think that I'm a roots. This get broken at the end. Look on that to the food. The dance I put up to that. I got like them a roots. Them right in them a roots. Them butt don't want a roots. Them always over the roots. But on the other shoe, we are this one again.
No, Dim and Junior Gang flagman, body stick.
The flag.
It's like him shoulder. When he goes woof. Have you been close to him when he goes to the flag? Woof.
No.
It's like a mutant.
It's like a mutant.
Breeze.
So the breeze, the wind. Very nice, very nice. But like we said, we were not on the reggae cruise.
Say that again.
We were not on the our producer just said, yeah, but I was. That's the point.
That's what we're trying to
producer.
say. You weren't.
We were
you
not
weren't
there.
We're
But
not
that's
there.
okay. Moving swiftly
I'm
on.
afraid of water that much.
Is that our Miss Universe Jamaica? Take it.
Davina Bennett, she's in Vegas right now.
Okay.
And you can vote for her using our social media platform. So let's get voting today. And here's how you can vote. Visit and vote via www.missuniverse.com. And you can also tweet using the hashtag MissUniverse and hashtag Jamaica and take advantage of retweeting
Sorry.
others. Let's do this, and we're wishing Davina all the best for November 26th. So, I mean, write it down. No, write it down, like right now.
Them
No,
not
no,
right.
right.
Them
right.
not vote. Them already have it. You guys been voting all week, right? Right? Yes, you have. Amen. Yes, I voted 10 times today already. I have. True. So,
Yes,
congratulations are actually in order to dancehall star Conscience, who married his girl. I guess they're a fan. But no, we're not supporting. He married his girlfriend, Latoya, over the weekend in Miami.
Hold on, did you guys just cheer for Conscience or his girlfriend? Which one? No, because
No,
of
no,
Conscience.
Girlfriend, boo!
No, but no, I mean, Latoya,
Yeah.
big up yourself,
Yeah.
Latoya, big up yourself.
We're not hating. But anywho, we keep celebrating because the Rihanna reign won't quit as she graces the January French Vogue cover with 3 covers. Here's one. Yes, awesomeness. Yes, I love that she's wrapped the whole Nubian thing. Here is 2, the fierce lioness coming out. Yes. And here is 3, giving us French Vogue. Yes. 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 So, we received. Dr. Angwana, man?
Yeah, man, we received this video,
Sure, man.
this video of these local parrots doing a wicked skank to Bob Marley, to a Bob Marley classic. Take a look.
You can't skank like that, parrot.
Parrots.
But just as I say.
About a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds before my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message.
To you.
Bob Marley and the Wailers.
Right? Oh, wait, hold on, wait. I'm here.
No, the parrots.
No, you say it on the doctor.
Because myself- So because I said parrot, you feel it is you, right?
Well, I'm just saying I do look a bit colorful today.
No, man, not true.
Don't you guys think? Thank you. Yeah.
Don't friend her up, one. Yes, don't
hate.
friend her.
Don't hate. Don't hate. But it's such a pleasure to have you on the table.
Yeah, we're there.
Up here,
I'm gonna
man,
be
you
here.
know, last
Over
week
there.
I had somebody else next.
Whoa,
Somebody else.
whoa, that don't sound good. Rap.
Guys, I'm talking
dum.
about the show. Yes, not in real life. Talking about the show. Anyway, awesome buzz. Today, Daytime Life will be right back. Join us after the break.